If you're looking to take your videos to the next level and make them more accessible to a wider audience, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through how to add auto captions in CapCut, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly generate accurate captions, customize them, and really make your content shine. Let's jump straight in. So for starters, I've already imported my audio into CapCut. If you haven't done that yet, just drag in your video or audio file onto the timeline. It's such a straightforward process, but honestly, it's vital to make sure the right file is loaded before you move ahead. Once your audio is set, we're going to focus on the text options. Look for the text button on the main toolbar. Click there, and you'll see a few choices pop up. The one we want today is Auto Captions. The beauty of Auto Captions is that CapCut uses AI to analyze your audio and generate text automatically. This saves you a ton of time compared to typing out captions manually, which, let's face it, can be a pretty tedious job. Now, you'll see an option to select the spoken language. This is really important. CapCut can recognize multiple languages, so make sure you choose the language that matches your audio. If you select the wrong one, the captions might not line up with what's actually being said. For example, if your video is in English but you select Spanish, the text could come out pretty wild. So, take a moment here and get that setting right. If your video features more than one language, CapCut has a bilingual caption feature. That means it can actually recognize and caption two languages at the same time, which is a game changer if your content goes back and forth between, say, English and Mandarin or Spanish and French. For those of you using the Pro version, there's another cool option. You can have CapCut identify filler words like or like, and choose to remove them from your captions. This can really help clean up your text and keep your captions looking professional. If you're going for a smooth final product, this is worth considering. But if you want an exact transcript of everything said, feel free to leave this off. Once you feel good about all your settings, go ahead and click the Generate button. Now, depending on the length of your audio, this step might take a little while. So just sit back for a moment and let CapCut do its thing. The auto caption generator will analyze your audio clip bit by bit, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. When it's finished, you'll notice new text layers appear right above your video timeline. These are your freshly generated captions. At this stage, you can start customizing. Click any caption text to edit. Maybe fix tiny errors, adjust the timing, or even tweak the phrasing if you want it to sound a certain way. And this is where you can also add some visual effects to your captions. CapCut lets you change the text color, add outlines, or apply unique animations to make your words pop. If you want your captions to stand out for emphasis, try a bold font or a shadow effect. You can really experiment here to match your video's style. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've just made your video more accessible, more professional, and easier for viewers all over the world to understand. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions or want advice on other CapCut features, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next instructional video. Thanks so much for watching, and happy editing!